Assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you very much for coming. I really appreciate that all of you are here and you've been listening to my music all these years and supporting me. So I really want to thank you all. Really appreciate that you guys are here. You're more than welcome to ask any questions. Please go ahead. Bangladesh almost feels like my second home. और बिल्कुल ऐसे ही फील होता है कि जैसे बहुत सारा प्यार आप लोग देते हैं और ये मेरा आई थिंक आठवां विजिट है बांग्लादेश का और हमेशा से आप लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार दिया है मेरे म्यूज़िक को सुना है उसको पसंद किया है और मुझे I look forward to coming to Bangladesh because यहाँ की ऑडियंस जो है इतनी enthusiastic है इतनी इमोशनल है और जज्बाती भी और ज़बरदस्त लोग हैं कि मेरे म्यूज़िक को बहुत पसंद करते हैं so I really love you all.
Strawberry super dotted or classic variant sensation जागरूक शिहोरन
मुझे पर्सनली आप लोग उसको खिचड़ा कहते हैं मोस्ट प्रॉब्लम और हम उसको सो खिचड़ी ही कहते हैं बेसिकली सो और जो आप लोगों की एक चाय होती है जिसको आप लोग चा बोलते हैं which is with malai I think it's beautiful it's just so delicious so amazing और आप लोगों की बिरयानी जो है बहुत लाजवाब मैं दुनिया में कहीं भी जाता हूँ तो मैं सब लोगों को बांग्लादेश के खाने की बहुत तारीफ करता हूँ मुझे कोई सबसे ज़्यादा पूछता है वो कहते हैं आपको चाइनीज़ पसंद है थाई पसंद है मैं कहता हूँ नहीं एक दफ़ा आप ज़रा बांग्लादेश जाएं वहाँ का खाना खाएं फिर मुझे बताएं I was actually when I started out my music I never thought I'd be very successful and I'll make it this big and I'm thankful to all my fans how it has happened but somehow or the other, I think I got busy with performances and I never took the time out for myself. Although I was writing some of the stanzas and verses of my music as well. But I couldn't release them just because of my schedule and the recordings that I have had. Yes, I've been very thankful to all my producers and directors and, video makers and my labels as well. But I was unable to release what I wanted to release, my kind of music, because I was singing mostly for the film songs, and so it was high time I felt obligated, and I owe it to myself more than to anybody else that I wanted to release this music. And I think this will be a yearly practice now, from now on, that I'll be releasing albums, inshallah. So we'll be releasing the album, inshallah, the 31st of July. It has 8 tracks. It's called Subha Aina. And Subha Aina has been with me for about 8 years now. I've been writing a lot of material at the same time. I've written some of the compositions as well. And during this process, I've collaborated with a lot of other musicians as well. Musicians like Raj, composers like Raj, musicians and composers like Shiraz Upul, S.N. Parvez Mehdi, and a few big names.
I'm asking you, will you perform any new song from your album in this concert?
Alright, so we won't be performing the new songs because obviously we'll be, right at the release. We'll be doing it after the release, inshallah. I'll come back, inshallah, again. कल के कॉन्सर्ट के लिए तो मेरी सबसे पहली दुआ है कि बारिश जो है वो ज़रा ना हो और लेकिन अगर हो भी जाएगी तो आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि और मज़ा आएगा और अच्छा रहेगा बिकॉज ऑडियंस को जब भी देखा है कि आप लोग जो है वो बारिश हो ना हो जैसे भी हो आप लोग जो है वो ज़रूर उस शो पर जो है वो तशरीफ़ लाते हैं तो उसकी तैयारी में जैसे लास्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने परफॉर्म किया था उससे थोड़ा सा अलग होगा ऑब्वियसली ताकि ऑडियंस को जो है कुछ नया मिल सके सो विल बी अनाउंसिंग द एल्बम एज वेल जी रूना लैला मैम के साथ हम लोगों ने एक कॉम्पिटिशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया था वो भी जज कर रही थी मैं भी जज कर रहा था और उन्होंने जो कलाम पढ़ा हुआ है लाल मेरी पर वो बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है एंड ऑफ कोर्स शी इज़ अमेजिंग एंड शी इज़ अ लेजेंड एज वेल उनके साथ काम करके बहुत अच्छा लगा I listen to all sorts of music. Yes, in the low times and the sad times, I listen to everything except Atif Aslam. But I think when I'm low and depressed, I think that is the most beautiful time when I can write music and write something. The creativity at its best, I believe, because it creates a lot of room for me to explore the lyrics and the melody and the chords, and it helps me a lot when I'm in my lonely space. Mostly my album songs are my favorites because they're written from my heart. And also the fact that, you know, if you talk about this album, the new album, it has a lot of my heart and soul in it. Because after a very long time, I wanted to make the kind of music that I've dreamt of, the kind of music that I wanted people to listen. So yes, I think they're more close to my heart. Playback singing is a lot of learning. Yes, of course, you're under the influence of music directors. You're learning from them as well, the way you pronounce and the way you articulate and the way you sing one particular note. It's a lot of learning. But in terms of the album, just like Subha, I think you can just sing in a free form, just the way you want to sing. You're not bound. You're not looking into a situation as a film situation where the hero and the heroine, they're in love and all of that. But in the album, you can be yourself. You're your own music director. So that's the difference. Well, absolutely. We will be announcing the album. And according to a survey that we do, on the social apps, most of the audience is from Bangladesh. And I'm very, I take pride in that because I love you guys so much that you guys have given me so much time for my music over the years. So in terms of the concerts, yes, we'll be singing some of the songs that we have not done before over here. I personally think that Tai Tariham is one kalam where I don't sort of own anything about it. The whole credit goes to Salmi Kawals because it was their original composition. It was the original piece of about 20 minutes. It was very challenging for me to pay a tribute to them. Yes, it was loved, which is why I'm thankful again. But it had nothing of me. I just lent my voice in it, and I'm very happy about it. In terms of the other Coke Studio of this region, I always look forward to the new artists. I always look forward to new music and working with them as well. I think it's a beautiful sound. You guys are doing very good, and I look forward that one day, Coke Studio Pakistan collaborates with Coke Studio Bangladesh. That'll be great.